Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you the most terrible thing which I often experience in my daily life. You know it is terrible when someone think you are pregnant and congratulate you on the street, but you are not. Bloating is one of the most common digestive issue which causes a lot of discomfort, especially when you try to fit in your jeans. I have experienced some quick remedies which really works well when I feel bloating. In this video, I am going to share you those tips to reduce bloating and improve your digestion. If you are interested, then keep watching and subscribe to my channel. Bloating is a result of overeating, excess gas in stomach, and of course the period cramps. When we notice stomach being bigger after a heavy meal, feeling super gassy, and obviously the PMS, which is a whole different story. Before we dive in, one very important thing I want to say: if you are suffering from chronic bloating, which is really uncomfortable and outside the normal feeling, please talk to a doctor because it might be a bigger issue, and it is always a good idea to check with a doctor. Here is 6 tips to reduce bloating. Let's get started. Number 1 is drink a cup of hot water with lemon every morning when you wake up. Not only it is going to wake you up, it's also going to wake up your stomach, and it's also great to drink it during or after meal. Lemon water can help reduce the amount of salt retained in the body and help with bloating. Just make sure you drink from the glass and not through a straw so you don't take in any extra air. Number 2 is avoid drinking coffee, milk, soy for breakfast. Switch it to vegan milk, which does not actually contain any dairy. Use yogurt with probiotics and not the ones with a lot of sugar and corn syrup. Yogurt is good for bacteria that helps your stomach feel better and digest a food better. However, if you are lactose intolerant, opt for the dairy-free alternative like any vegan Greek yogurt. Number 3 is avoid consuming carbonated drinks like sodas, especially when they claim to be diet, as there is usually contain a ton of sugar. And of course, alcohol is out of the question. It will form gas in a stomach but also makes your space bloat. It is known that it has a combination of sugar and toxins and the alcohol that makes your body go a bit cuckoo. So instead of these, drink ginger lemon tea. While making ginger lemon tea, use fresh ginger to make the most of its anti-inflammatory qualities. Peel the ginger using a peeler, then cut the root into thin slices. After bringing the water to a boil in a medium saucepan, add the ginger and the lemon to the water. Remove the pan from the heat and allow it to steep, covered for 15 minutes. Sweeten with honey to taste. You can even chew on little pieces of raw ginger for a quick fix if you don't mind the taste. Number 4 is avoid eating greasy foods, especially fast food, as a combination of high sodium and grease will cause your insides to go a little cuckoo. Having said that, oil itself doesn't really cause you to bloat. It actually keeps you fuller for longer. However, if you do have irritable bowel syndrome and other related illness, then the grease can actually trigger bloating. Same goes for fast foods or processed food that is high in sodium, as salt messes up with the water balance of your body and cause water retention in certain areas, hence making you feel and look bigger than you actually are. Number 5 is being the most common form of bloating, that is actually swallowing air itself. It is important to try avoid chewing gum and eat slower. Number 6 is berries. You got blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. They are all high in water content, which helps flush out all your system, and it's rich in fiber which can aid in moving the food through the intestines quicker. You can also relieve constipation, which is one of the biggest cause in malbloating. These berries will love you. Now I am going to show you some pressure points to help you deploy to locate the bloat. The first pressure point is, first find your belly button and then use 4 fingers, place it above your belly button, and then the pressure point is directly above there. Press down firmly and massage for 2 to 3 minutes clockwise and anti-clockwise, and your mouth will start to water. It's little bit of sour feeling, but this one helps to eliminate gas and also helps to deflate to your stomach. The second pressure point is only 1 finger apart, so find your belly button again, and place your finger measure directly underneath your belly button, and the pressure point is right there. Press down firmly and massage 2 to 3 minutes. This one will help to eliminate gas quicker. So that was my tips and some pressure point on how to reduce bloating. If you have any other tips and tricks, please share below because sharing is caring. Do follow me on Instagram and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.